Hello everyone, this is Humera from Artisan Craft, and with our designs and files you can design with confidence. So today I want to share a great idea for making gifts for kids for Christmas. So the idea is that you make an ornament with cut the ornament and engrave a design on it and combine it with a small gift like this with small color palette and with some brushes, so kids can color their ornament at the color their ornament as a gift. So this is the idea. So this video is directed towards people who want to make DIY ornaments and who know how laser cutting works. So this is for them. So you can, this is also idea for sellers if they want to make ornament and sell gifts for children. So you can take any ornament and combine it with this small kit and you will be able to make a very nice stocking stuffer. So these kits are available, they are not very expensive. You can see they have some colors, they are non-toxic, kids friendly, and some brushes. A brush with wide end and a smaller brush to color into details will be enough. So this is the idea. So this I have shown you, and I sell digital files. So this bundle can be found on my Etsy shop here in my store. So I want to share with you some technical details. So here it is. So you can see this ornament right here. This is the one I'm explaining about. So the line in the red will cut the overall shape, you can see, and then blue color line in the Glowforge or laser cutter, you can use it to engrave or score this design. So this design is ready for you and you can get it from my Etsy shop. It's called Artisan Craft SVG. So this is good to go. And now I'll share with you which kind of designs I have. So in this bundle, so I have these are my favorite. These two are my most favorite. These are Christmas trees with bow bells and string of light. So they are very cute and beautiful. And bells with snowflakes, star shapes with snowflake again, and angels with a heart, and angel with star. And these are gingerbreads. So you can see gingerbread with round buttons, gingerbread with star shaped buttons, gingerbread with Christmas snowflake type buttons, and gingerbread with bow and round buttons. And I have star hearts. You can see they are very Christmas themed. They have nice snowflake engraved on it. So this will look nice on a tree when it is colored. And snowflakes, you can see snowflake, different shapes, and a round ornament. And then I have finally gingerbread houses. So this gingerbread houses with heart and a lollipop. This says home sweet home and there's small snowflake on it. And finally a beautiful gingerbread house which can be given as a gift as well. So this bundle is ready for you. You can get it and cut your own ornament, and this is just MDF, and then you can give it to children, combine it with a small coloring kit, then it will make a great gift for Christmas. The link of this bundle will be in the description, and let me know in the comments which shape you like most. This is my favorite. I told you that these two are my really favorite. This is small but cute and I really love it. So which shape do you like? Let me know in the comments. So see you next time. Thank you.